3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hello, my dear friends. So today we have 10 beautiful, colorful presents over here. Let's see what's inside. So this is the number 1. Let's see what's inside. Wow, an airplane. One airplane. This is the number 2. Let's see what's inside. Oh, a cute kitty. 2 cats.
3.
This is the number 3. Let's see what's inside. A duck. 3 ducks. 3 ducks. This is the number 4. Let's see what's inside. A dinosaur. 4 dinosaurs. Now we have the number 5. Let's see what's inside. Wow, a bear. 5 bears. Now we have the number 6. Let's see what's inside. A cute robot. 6 robots. This is the number 7. Let's see what's inside. Wow, an angry gorilla. 7 gorillas. Now we have the number 8. Let's see what's inside the present. Wow, it's a truck. 8 trucks. This is the number 9. Let's see what's inside the present. It's a cute little teapot. 9 teapots. Now we have the number 10. Let's see what's inside our present. Oh, this is so adorable. A cute little bunny. 10 rabbits. Let's sing the number song. This is 1, the number 1. 1, 1, 1. This is 2, the number 2. 2, 2, 2. This is 3, the number 3. 3, 3, 3. Do you know what number is this? This is 4. This is 5, the number 5. 5, 5, 5. Come on, friends, let's sing. This is 6, the number 6. 6, 6, 6. Do you know what number is this? This is 7. This is 8, the number 8. 8, 8, 8. This is 9, the number 9. 9, 9, 9. Do you know what number is this? This is 10. 1 airplane, 2 cats, 3 ducks, 4 dinosaurs, 5 bears, 6 robots, 7 gorillas, 8 trucks, 9 teapots, and 10 bunnies. Wow, that was so much fun. I really had a great time singing and learning the numbers, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, bye!